Hi guys, I'm Betty.
Hi, I'm Mily.
We are travel hackers for Kiwi.com. We won 10,000 euros to travel to destination of our choice for 1 month.
We will start in Vienna, then we will go to Bucharest, then we will fly to New Delhi in India, and then we are going to travel through whole Thailand. We will start in Bangkok, and then we will go to Krabi and then to Phuket.
Why we decided to go to Bangkok? We used Kiwi.com app to look for the cheapest flights to Southeast Asia. And we compared the prices with other cities, and Bangkok was the cheapest. I got travel hack for you. If you want even cheaper price, click on sorting and choose cheapest, so you can save more money.
So let's look at the budget in more details.
So our budget per person is 1,620 euros. And how are we going to do that? Because 1 month, it's kind of long time. About accommodation, we really want to use Couchsurfing, so you can sleep at locals' homes for free, and they will show you around, and you will tell them more about your country. For me, it's Czech Republic, so sharing is caring. Also, we are going to save on transfer a lot because we want to hitchhike. I really like to talk in numbers to see it better. So for food, we want to spend like 7 euros per day because we don't want to save up on food. I think in Thailand it's more than enough. For accommodation, we don't want to spend more than 5 euros. Hostels in Thailand are really cheap, so I think 5 euros is enough. For transport, we want to spend mainly 5 euros. I'm not counting the plane tickets now. For the flight tickets, we want to spend 100 euros, which we already bought with our Visa card. For others like entrances, we want to spend 7 euros. If I'm counting right, this should be 1,620. Now we know more about budget. So about packing, we are only packing to carry on. It's kind of crazy because we are going for 1 month trip, but we are going to save lots of money. Don't forget to subscribe to Kiwi.com
and don't forget to follow other more travel hackers for more local travel tips.
Bye!